My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Na me again today, Usaze Omogiate, and una go dey wonder now say Akodija he don't deal with me. He don't go again. He won't go knock another victory come, so that in our next episode we will knock and give una. Before we really enter to this topic, I want to let you know say the way people take they call us concerning the numbers, emergency numbers, so we they give them concerning police, fire brigade, and even the NDLEA, not be smart, you know. We know they sleep, but all the same, I know say na part of our job. But we are not sure say we are supposed call the redirect people so that we will get quick response. Because if we not call us before we come wake up, come they call, you can't be say the thing done the too delay. So I beg. The first number there now is now just share for screen. Now the police number. This now the operation room number. Once you call this number with this screen, so immediately they don't answer now. Then if you now still leave this one, you now go see the next number so when they want to appear for screen. So this one now be fire service number. When we know for fire brigade. If you now call this number in case you what they cast or maybe something they happen for area, say fire, it don't enter house, maybe because of electric spark, or maybe because of saying I want small smoke, nine day corner before, the smoke don't come, it turn to fire, it don't begin burn waiting not supposed burn. If you now call this fire brigade number or fire service number, immediately they don't respond to that emergency. Then this last number one I see for screen. Now the NDLEA number. You know, say nowadays, so kind of matter don't they happen when we say they never really use torchlight check where. When you say so kind young fellows, young men and women, where you don't reach to take some kind of drug when you pass them, they go they take her. Say that drug not to make them high, not to make them live above normal level. And those kind of place for some kind of area in the day. And if you notice that kind of place, the way it take day like that, and maybe they hear you will call this number, this NDLEA number. Immediately, they will come there, come bust that area. And before you know, that your area will come camp cool. Like say, nothing like that happened before. My people, we can't go around town. We can't begin go meet one or two persons, begin to go around. Say, we don't hear say, this bay matter, say for example, you do something now, police catch you. As they put you for their small guard room, whether they call prison, and the person come stand for you as bay, they will release that person for you. Kia, without say you don't spend kobo. But people come they talk now, say, not be the way government take talking, not be the way paper take talking. Say once they arrest you, person can't pay you, now free, you don't go pay any money. Not be say it can't be now. Many people agitate against this issue. They quarrel. They say no, that they pay money till they bail their person in case any yawa. Even ordinary to fight itself. You know, we hear many of the comments where people make concerning this bail issue. What they ask them? Bail not free. How una see? They say la, you know, if it happen, bail not be free. And there you can see some persons when you can see to say, bail not free. They believe say. Some people will get ignorance when you don't even know. Some people don't know say bail are free. They know whether they know they see as they put on for signboard there. If they know the right thing to do, they will know say bail are free. Aside that one, now we can still say okay. As people don't talk, we can go meet commissioner himself. The man will be say now be the head of security for our state. Where his name be Commissioner of Police Johnson Kokumo. Now you can see tell us in your part. Say, well, that bail issue, when we talk, this one, that one. Bail are free. And una, when it be say, if they join, they even give police bribe. Both you will give the money for bail, and both the police will they give money. Two of them. If in grab any of them, not to shocking them. Anyway, make I not come talk everything where they talk. Make we fair here first. When we come back, we will see how we take rub around small. Bail is free.
No, bail no be free. Oh, we dey use our money to dey bail ourselves. Anything we just crime now. Anything we crime now, police just waka corner. If you just carry us now, once you reach station now, either you crime or either you know they crime or you must bail yourself and our money. And another one, and then they tell us every time say bail na free, bail na free. But when we reach the finish, bail no be free. We dey bail ourselves.
But then I'm waiting for police they talk now. Say bail na free.
That one allow. That one allow. Inside last month we go their meeting. They even talk say bail na free. Say we come ask them say why it can't be say bail na free than the bail they know the free. They know the free person and they use our money to bail ourselves. He say because of their motto. Government know they feel am and nobody when they feed the motor say na the bail when they collect anybody they arrest the bail when they collect na the money na it take they feed their vehicle na it take they repair their motor na it take they buy their tire say na our bail money na be that one. Yes, sir.
I
go there. I go there. I even go there. I go the meeting.
Okay, you don't bail person.
I don't bail myself. I bail myself last 2 years. I bail myself last year on 2 fighting. Say I see and I go talk. Make the payment for say the person is free. Then this there, then detain me. Man no sit down for there till they break. I bail myself 5,000 now I take come outside. With a bag, with lead down. Now I take bail myself. Why the second guy he bail you 7,000 last. Men say no sleep for there. So since then we know they find trouble. We just do our own. Make peace for them. If anybody find our trouble, we tell them say thank you sir. They will go. Just not believe me. See go inside town, see us. Okay. If you see go inside town, you'll see tell you the same thing.
Okay, I will find out.
Now you'll be the thing.
Not be free. Bail for police station. Not be free for this Nigeria. You got anything they do free. Come up here, what they give person free. Talk less of the arrest person for police station. Call give person bail person free. Not be free. One man when he carry small pikin go bush. He want do something. They call catch him with the pikin. They arrest them for the station there. The mama now leave it they say before you run reach there, the sister the woman say he must bring money before they bear. You woman run go find money before he bear pikin. Many things where they happen for this they just say na free. Now lie yo. They just they talk am. Make them for vote another.
I don't believe you.
Oga, I said not true. Not be free. Not be free.
No police.
I say
no police go want take the laws into your hand.
nah lie yo. Oga not be free. Nah lie.
If they arrest, then they take money for their hand. Yes, sir.
You don't see anybody like that. You don't experience anything.
Yes. Then they take money pay them. Yes, sir.
Wow, but this can't issue.
It's not good, sir.
Okay, what is the advice?
Advice what I get. If who they do bad, make now they do bad again. Make them not go arrest again. Do wetin good so that may you not fall for their trap. That be advice what I get for them.
But commissioner they talk. If you see go commissioner office now, we don't even go. They say bail na free.
Na lie. They collect money for their hands. They collect money, sir.
This one when you they talk so that they collect money. You don't see them.
Yes, sir. Don't see them. Many.
They say pay if they arrest person are free.
Nah, they collect money. I pray me be free. They must collect, they must pay them for that. They apply, they pay them. They must pay for bail now.
They pay before now.
Before they say I'm free.
For example, they catch your friend now. You feel come, sign bail, you come out, no money.
They collect
Now
money.
waiting commissioner, waiting people, the police.
But police talk can say bail now free, but if the other person go station, they must collect money ke bail.
This is when you talk. I tell no say not true. Wait, you don't carry the talk.
That day they arrest my friend. He pay money ke bail and pay himself. They must bail.
How much?
I pay about almost 4,000 plus. They must bail.
What you do? What you do?
Me I know what you do. He go come and say arrest and I can go there. He pay himself. They don't pay person. They don't person for you now.
Anybody where they arrest go station say you pay money, make government they get person be say they will die. Anybody where they do that kind of thing, they will arrest them or they sack them for work. that Nigeria need iron hand. No be the one where they say they fight corruption. They do wuru. All of them are the same thing. If you want fight God, want do all this kind of thing, you will need to put something down. Security say anybody collect money for bribe, you go arrest and go sack up for work. When they do that kind of thing, like 10 places for the whole Nigeria, all this thing go stop. Without that one, you know, stop.
Then you believe say true that they use money they pay people?
Well, not today. Not today. They know that time where they stop by that time. They don't arrest me now. I know they say I go bring money come. I say I don't get money. Before I know they put me for say, give me my format call. They don't let me call. They break. They say the money come out. All this kind of thing no good for Nigeria.
So you still pay the money?
Yes. Me when they talk so now me happen to say another person. Now me happen to.
Okay, this kind issue now. I know that. What if you not come pay the money?
You go just say there now. Go look ball.
Better not be free. People help be free for Nigeria. Yeah, better not be free for Nigeria. you don't say better not be free for Nigeria. Police better arrest you. Why you don't want to better free? Better not be free. Better be free.
No, why they talk like this? Not from a city.
Everybody knows they better not be free now. If everybody go police, they don't say better not be free. Better not be free. Better not be free for this country.
I go be free. It not be free. Not be free. When they arrest my pikin, I not bail am with na money I take bail am.
You go meet some kind of people when it's mostly lawyer, learned people.
Lawyer self will not go take you. Lawyer na free. Na money they take lawyer. I could take money bail and go say I go take lawyer with the money again.
Okay, what you say government before we go fit do concerning this matter? Because we believe so.
Everywhere don't square. Nothing government go fit do.
Na so we go just dey.
Na so we don dey inside already.
Na so they talk for mouth. But if you read here, no free. Oh. Yes.
I don't understand.
If police arrest you, that they be not free. Be not free. There's no how you enter police and want come out. Now 5,000 I go pay come out. Make I tell you, nobody say story. Me I be officer, they arrest me. I go police station. What happen? Nah, waiting. Let me call it a vehicle accident. To go to brush my motor. Maybe go to their friend or the owner na police and I carry go station. Instead, they lead the boy carry me put for sale. I said they be officer at the work, they not here. I call lawyer. Believe at the end of the day, 5,000 enter and 5 come out. I pay money.
Even when lawyer dey?
Yes, I pay money.
No, so lawyer na learned fellow.
I say I pay money. No, I don't tell you story. I don't talk about somebody. I talk about myself.
Why you go pay? What you happen? Why you go pay?
I pay money. I pay money.
Accident matter. No, don't settle.
You know, say normally, accident a traffic offense.
Yes.
Not a police case now.
Yes.
But they make a police case. At the end of the day, they make I pay myself. My job as a lawyer, I call lawyer. I say I pay money.
But that lawyer, why you allow that kind of thing?
Okay. Now, who you wait and make I explain to you? Because I don't understand. When they know say you know the truth, they go bend the truth. Now, I be officer, bail is free. Now something happen on Friday, on Saturday. Are you getting me now? As it happen on Saturday, now it doesn't reach night. They say time already go. Nobody to sign them again. Which means Sunday nothing dey happen, so nobody go grant you pay. You will stay till Monday. No be pay the bill your house. So if you give them money now, the bill go happen. But you don't pay money, no pay. Stay till that time now. Since you don't have money, so it happen. That is when they know say you know the truth. As an officer, it happen to me. Okay. Now, but if you not be officer, they will not listen to you. You go rotate there, you go pay money.
Bail is not free. Even whether you commit offense, you not commit offense. Once you don't reach police station, you must pay money before you come out for there. I can give you instances. Last year, my children they come from their friend birthday. Now so police harass them for Ring Road. They carry them. They say that they waka late. But the time they say, now birthday where they come from. They even follow them, go when they do the birthday. They see say people see they the place. They carry my boys go police station. No do. I pay 5,000 for this one. I pay 5,000 for this one. That one side. I will still tell you one instance. Somebody buy car. The car costs almost 1.2. And who buy that car don't pay 950,000. Because the payment delay. Who the follow buy that motor? Come carry this my person. Go stay CID. Say they want go iron the matter there. I even approach the seller of the motor. I said this matter it be never reach police case so. At least you know this person reach house. And me I be person. I can stand for that person. He said he don't already call police. He don't already involve police, so they must go stay CID. I said okay, no problem. Mona take an easy. Do I not follow them? That day they travel. That they go. As I read there now, they write agreement. The kind of agreement when they even write, I don't understand that. Okay, police say they want write agreement. Maybe they go write like 3 agreements. One for police, one for who they sell motor, one for who they buy. No, they're not doing like that. They write one agreement, only the police hold the agreement. Okay, as they write agreement finish, they're not supposed to let that boy come out. They're not let him come out oh. They pull his shirt, they pull his shoe, they can't pull for sale. Even the police officer when follow them come arrest am. When I hear na like that, now I can't call the police. I say, oga, should not tell me say this thing I will take and judge that day. He say, madam, am I coming to the station? Now I say, come to the station, can't do waiting. He say, make I come bail. I say, now arrest, now come arrest and bill. Now tell me so now I go settle the matter. Now I cut call for the boy.
For Nigeria, bail is not free. Oh.
Which kind of word do they talk so?
Bail is not free. Let's go to the station now. Bail is not free.
When police put on a signboard say bail is free.
It's not free, sir.
Say not free.
Last week here, I paid myself with 10,000 naira from Estate Police Station here.
Now ignorance. You not pay now. How you job?
Ask my neighbor here now. He will tell you. It's not free, sir. It's not free. It's not free, sir.
Now you talk like this.
Okay, I mean they talk.
You think they want them to say they talk? Bail is free.
It's not free, sir. Bail is not free.
I go to ask you, waiting for a top, going down, that they put up for police station.
If you even ask from here to Selu Market or to Third Junction, they will tell you the same thing. Bail is not free.
Actually, bail is free for those that know their rights. That is the truth. Bail is free for those that know their rights and those that know the law. It's free. You can't arrest a lawyer now, and at the end of the day, you ask the lawyer to bail himself. It's not possible. And you can never arrest a lawyer's wife, and you ask the lawyers to come and bail his wife with money. It's not possible.
No, they speak on you, boy.
I say sorry. I say bail. You say bail is free. Yeah. I say yes for those who know their left and right. Like for example now, you don't fit tell lawyer make he come pay money for bail when they arrest them, or when they arrest lawyer wife now you can't say make the lawyer come bail the wife with money. It's not done.
Who tell you? See, let me tell you, for the interview when I don't do this, some people don't use their mouth talk and say lawyer even come reach there. They can't even want to turn the matter. They can't say who want to sign the bail, not they. Who want to now for the lawyer present, now they release money, then they give police. Otherwise, that Saturday, they're not bail and that day they delay. It will be on Monday. So they bring money come out.
Okay, listen carefully. I say bail is free for those who know their left and right. Person like me now, if I don't commit crime, and I know very well I don't commit crime, just like sometimes when police go stop some say Yahoo boys and all that, search their phone, see some things, they don't say anything and all, at the end they carry their go station. They are not those boys, if they know their rights, they are not expected to pay 1 naira for bail for when they don't commit any offense or they don't commit any crime. I find it difficult. Okay, they tell you now. Me, yeah, I don't go Ugbawa police station here to go release my person without paying 1 naira to them. But when the IPO asked me to pay, I went straight to the DPO and DPO called the IPO to order. So those that know their left and right will go straight to the DPO. When you discover that the IPO is stressing you, the DPO have the final say. So as what I talked before, bail is free for those who know their left and right. So I will use the opportunity to advise the public. If you get problem with police or you get case with police and you discover that the IPO there is stressing you and you discover that is your title, you discover saying that your title, look for the DPO in that station and report the matter to the DPO. The DPO will ask you to go free without collecting 1 naira from you, mostly when you know that you did not commit any offense.
What if the person commit crime? They come find and say, okay, they want bail am. Person come and say one start for them.
Okay, listen.
Yeah, but what are you talking about?
Get me clear. Get me clear. Now because say we there they hurry. Because we here they hurry to say we won't go house. Normally, if I don't commit any crime and police detain me necessary, I will call my lawyer to charge the case to court. Automatically, when I get to court, bail is what? Is free. But because I won't leave station, I don't want to sleep there. That is where we always get it wrong. So I go use the opportunity again, just as I've said before. Ugbawa police station here, there's an example to me now, that I went there to go and bail somebody. When I discovered the IPO want to stress me, I went straight to the DPO, and the DPO asked them to release that person to me. Amen. Without collecting 1 naira. So because I know my left and my right, so many people don't even know to, they fear not even let them go meet DPO. Not to, I also experienced the same thing at Okoro police station. The same thing. So the DPO too also released the boys. So what I'm saying is this: bail is free when you know your left and right. I still stand on my ground. So, except those who don't know their left and right.
What will be your advice now?
My advice is say, if you get problem for police station, they arrest your junior one or they arrest your relative, go straight to the DPO. Let the DPO interview the both parties and let the DPO now advise the both parties. But when the person now discovers that the DPO is not helping matters, he should go straight to the media. He should go straight to, like for example, we have so many power now to defend ourselves. Like for example, now Man Around Town is there, Izika is there. I can go straight to ITV, I can go straight to Silver Bay, I can go straight to any of these media houses and report the situation on ground, mostly when I know that I'm fighting for my rights.
I've said it severally, that bail is free. I've sermonized it everywhere I've gone. Bail is free. We are not paying lip service to it, that bail is free. We are going around to ensure that in actual fact, bail is free. And I've said this in a number of fora, that members of the public should equally assist us to see to it that the bail is free. It's not just a slogan. It is what we want to bring to fruition. It is what we want to bring to reality. And don't forget, the person giving the bribe for bail is as guilty as the man taking the bribe. So I want to use this opportunity to appeal to members of the public, the good citizens of Edo State, to please desist completely. Even where policemen have made demands for such, for money, for bail. My telephone numbers are in public domain. Let them quickly get in touch with me on phone. They should. We also have the telephone numbers of all officers serving in Edo State there in public domain. They should get in touch with us so that by the time they put us on the alert, we'll be ready to do the necessary things to remedy the situation.
People, don't be smart, you know. When I don't hear, when man they made a rant for street, they made da. Say, babe, for where? Mostly that woman. When he said, I saw he go police station, may Pikin not go stay too much. Now he can't go find money, he can't bail the Pikin. So mention the money there now. Now here I just now. But the only thing when me really can't like for the whole thing, now be the commissioner home. When the commissioner still can't talk am, say as he dey paper, as they talk am before, now so it still be bail now free. They don't they use money the bail person. The only thing when the day be say, if Yawa day, If the IPO they give you some kind of time, you go meet the DPO. If the DPO too not still comply, it get higher quarter when you go still go. Before you know, they don't answer you. Not go use rush, say you dey fear, you will begin go dey give money to police. He say bail na free. Now here and just now. So my people, now there we will draw the curtain. Make we not today ignorant of this truth. Bail na free, and bail it will ever be free, because as me and you they talk, so as I dey talk to now for TV jejely, so now waiting day paper na him be that as out of now. So make una get am say bail na free. If una go station, make una still know how to still take the know una right. Make una still know how to still take the pull or hold ground when it concern una right. And people now here we will draw this curtain for today. Make una continue to the watch Izigan. You know, mostly every Friday, 10:30 p.m. for ITV Benin. And on Sunday again, maybe Sunday night, but of course, now morning, it can't enter for Monday, which is 4 a.m. Monday morning. Make una still watch the same Izigan repeat episode when we say they will knock una for our start time and Go TV. If una continue to watch all this program, you go see they give una some kind rethink. You still make una see they know tips when it concerns security and crime matter. Now people, now here we will draw the curtain. My name remains Osaze Omogiate. My people, una bye bye you.